The Office of the President Duterte released Memorandum Circular Number 25 on September 15, 2017, directing all government agencies and instrumentalities, including government-owned or controlled corporations, state universities and colleges, and public schools at all levels, to display or exhibit photographs, paintings, or other forms of visual representations of Philippine heroes. In compliance to the directive of the President, it is timely and imperative that the pressing issues and problems regarding local and national heroes of grade 6 pupils in Patubig Elementary School must be faced and solved immediately. Good day, everyone. With humility, let me share to you the results of our CI project for Araling Panlipunan 6 entitled Project MMK. Maaalala mo kami. This was made possible with the collaborative efforts of Team Throwback Setters of Patubig Elementary School, Marilao North District, composing of the following leaders and members. The Project MMK, Maaalala mo kami, was established to address, improve, and strengthen academic performance, social consciousness, and awareness of elementary learners. The Project MMK followed the stages and the 10 steps in conducting the CIP. In the assess stage, the Team Throwback Setters started by getting organized and discussing the following. First, construction of the project proposal for the CIP entitled Project MMK. Second, discussion on the pupils' problems related to Araling Panlipunan and framing of possible solutions and actions for the enhancement of the least mastered skill. Third, building a systematic plan for the project proposal. After organizing and planning, the team decided to meet all grade 6 pupils and they were oriented on the administration of pretest as part of talking to customers. A 25-item test served as a tool to diagnose the level of awareness of grade 6 pupils on the 20 chosen local and national heroes. The pretest was consisted of 3 parts. Part 1, matching type with 10 items. Part 2, analogy test with 10 items. Part 3, with 5 items, measure their capacity to explain the contribution of the given hero. The pretest was administered and got a mean percentage score of 45.40. All grade 6 teachers were involved in the administration and interpretation of the results, where 15 or 8.88% of 169 passed, while 154 or 91.12% of the total grade 6 enrollment failed. To address the result of the pretest and ensure the success of the implementation of the CI project, the participation and support of the parents, guardians were encouraged by the Team Throwback Setters. The forum was done by section at 1 o'clock in the afternoon of November 13, 2017, where 115 parents, guardians attended. The SIPOC, suppliers, input, process, output, and customers was introduced and explained to them in order to gain understanding of the project. The result of the pretest made the team to analyze improvement areas and define the CI project specific problem statement that out of 169 grade 6 pupils of Patubig Elementary School, school year 2017-2018, 154 or 91.12% of which were not able to identify the 20 chosen local and national heroes, while the objective statement is to increase the number of grade 6 pupils of Patubig Elementary School, school year 2017-2018, in identifying the 20 chosen local and national heroes by at least 80% by February 2018. This means that 135 grade 6 pupils and above out of 169 are needed to achieve the objective of Project MMK. Analyze stage is the second stage. The team throwback setters was really motivated to analyze and investigate the causes why grade 6 pupils' level of mastery and awareness about the 20 chosen local and national heroes was low. To address the need, the team members brainstormed and analyzed the root causes of the problem using YY diagram. The team found out that there are factors affecting the pupils' mastery and awareness of the 20 chosen local and national heroes, namely interests of pupils, teachers, materials, and attitude towards araling panlipunan. YY diagram helped the team to understand deeply how the current status of the problem is continuing to arise. Based from the identified problem of the pupils in identifying the chosen local and national heroes, Team Throwback Setters creatively planned, developed, and designed three possible solutions to respond to the needs of the problem, namely the use of Solution 1, folders of heroes, Solution 2, flashcards, Solution 3, pick-to-pocket chart. In choosing the best and effective solution, a decision matrix tool was used by the team, where cost, results impact, and the probability of success were taken into consideration. Step 7 is about finalizing improvement plan. The team had a meeting to carry out the plans for Project MMK. The systematic approach on the activities, target output, timeline, persons involved, and the needed resources were finalized. Step 8 is under Act stage, where piloting the solution is concerned. The team throwback setters conducted the careful and effective piloting of the three solutions. It was done to assess which solution would best fit for learners' pace of acquiring learning as the progress continues to progress, as well as to improve and understand risks and validate expected results of the solution. The three possible solutions were piloted to the three heterogeneous sections of grade 6. 6 mapagkumbaba used Solution 1, folders of heroes. 6 mapagkakatiwalaan used Solution 2, flashcards. 6 mapamaraan utilized Solution 3, pick-to-pocket chart. After piloting, a test was given to them and it was found out that the use of Solution 3, pick-to-pocket chart, got the highest MPS of 87.50 among the three possible solutions. Upon identifying the best effective solution, which is pick-to-pocket chart, the CI team carefully conducted, observed, and made well use of the pick-to-pocket chart to the four sections of grade 6 to make the learning more meaningful and enjoyable. Supplementary learning materials and activities were also rolled out as part of their routine, namely Marcy Cook's card, hagdan ng katanungan, station technique, hanging mobiles, and himig ng MMK. To check the progress of Project MMK, the school principal and the school CIP coordinator conducted a school-based validation randomly among four sections of grade 6. The results were checked and interpreted. Post-test was conducted on February 9, 2018, where 162 or 95.86 passed, while 7 or 4.14 failed. The post-test got an amazing MPS of 94.88. When compared to pre-test result, it improved a lot and had a 108.99% of increase. Certificates were also given to recognize most improved customers. Upon finishing the 10 steps, the team concluded that pick-to-pocket chart greatly helped and found effective for the pupils in identifying the 20 chosen local and national heroes easily. Next, learning by doing played an important role in achieving the objectives of the problem, and pupils developed interest, motivation, social awareness, and appreciation on the contributions and sacrifices of heroes. The team also recommended that teachers must inject other possible 21st century teaching strategy to intensify the understanding on the contributions of heroes, conduct remedial classes, construct SIM and other learning materials, and double their patience. Pupils must do their own research if possible using the internet to further strengthen their knowledge. Lastly, parents must do follow ups at home and do some readings to reinforce the learning gained from school as much as possible. And that ends my presentation from Project MMK, MSP. Maraming salamat po.